Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download ASUS Zenbook Pro 14 driver downloads. Okay, first step is guys, go to the ASUS official website and then click support and driver manual. Okay, then you have to serial number of your laptop, so select serial and type serial number and you can download from it. You do not find out the serial number of your laptop, so select model number and type 14. Okay, and this is all are available, which is you using, select this one. Okay, then guys click to driver utility. So this is BIOS. If you have to update your laptop BIOS and firmwares. Okay, so simple click to download and restart your system. And now talking about the driver and tools. Firstly guys, select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. Okay, this is for the LAN driver. This is wireless, means Wi-Fi drivers. This is chipset, audio, graphic and all card reader, Bluetooth, all drivers are available. Okay, so I giving you one example how to install it. Suppose click to chipset driver, to click to download. This is starting download. Then single click to open. Okay, well, double click to run. This is setup. Then yes. So guys, one by one try the all driver. Download first, click to download and then install it. Then restart your system. Okay, all when you all install all drivers, then restart your system. Okay, thank you.